Ray, this is a company that's called Max, and I bought stuff from them for my pickup truck. This is the 55 to 66 T-Bird book, and I have in that cardboard box is catalog after catalog after catalog for these Thunderbirds, so I'll send that stuff with it. Anyway, but this is the one I pulled out, 2010 catalog, and let's see. Here we go. Front clamps. This is for the soft top parts, and this is a front top front clamp, and they're $105. And so this is a company you could get those from. You may find them a little cheaper, you might find them a little bit more, but they figure around $100, $110. This is a pretty good catalog. It has pretty much everything, you know, all kinds of different stuff in it. You can pretty much rebuild the whole dang car with it. I was going to try to find the... Here's like those little hash marks on the front fenders. You know, they're $29 each. Things like the emblem here. This is the Thunderbird script emblem. They're like $26. So, you know, if you were going to repaint the car, you could spend probably, you know, $200 on just the little trinket stuff, and it would kind of set it off. So, anyhow, I'll take some more pictures once we get the top off. Here it is out in the daylight. I just pulled it out of the shop. I'm on the corner of the main street here in town, so it's real loud. You probably noticed both the back edge of the door stick out about 3/16 of an inch. That's something that's really common with Thunderbirds, and there's some adjustments here that you can loosen up, but you can't. I have them slid in as far as they'll go. So a guy that's going to do a paint job or something like that, what you do is you take these off, and the sheet metal that they're attached to, you slot those holes, and you can bring in a little bit further. So it's kind of a trick that the guys that know about Thunderbirds do, but they're pretty much all like that. You can kind of see the car's pretty dang straight. There's no dents in it and that kind of a thing. Okay.